So I am here to solve exercise 4b. So first let me tell you which questions you have to do in the book itself. So you can do question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 5 in the book itself. The remaining questions you can note down in your copy, and if you have already done this exercise, then please check your answer and match them with this answer I am telling you. Okay, so coming to question number 1, name the 3 fundamental particles of an atom. Everybody knows the 3 fundamental particles are electron, proton and neutron. Give the symbol and charge of each particle, that also you know. Electron is small e, charge negatively charged. Proton is small p, charge is positively charged. Neutron is a small n and it carries no charge, it is neutral. Then complete the table given below. Identify p, q, r and s. So element sodium, its symbol Na, the subscript is 11 which is atomic number, and superscript is 23 which is mass number. Okay, so number of protons we can easily find out because atomic number is the number of protons, so 11 is the proton, and you know they have same number of electrons also. So 11 proton है तो 11 electrons हो जाएंगे. Number of neutrons we can find out by subtracting atomic number from mass number. So 23 minus 11, so number of neutrons will be 12. Then coming to next, chlorine, here also atomic number 17, mass number 35. Q, that is number of protons, you know atomic number is number of protons 17, number of neutrons are given, electrons are also given. Uranium, you have to write down the symbol, it is capital U. Proton 92, neutron, electrons are already given. S is you have to write the name of the element. If the symbol is F, atomic number 9, mass number 19, so the name of element will be fluorine, and the remaining information are given to you. Now coming to question number 3, the atom of an element is made up of 4 protons, 5 neutrons and 4 electrons. What are its atomic number and mass number? You know that atomic number is number of protons, तो अगर 4 protons हैं then atomic number will be 4. Mass number क्या होता है? Mass number is sum of proton and neutron. So proton and there are 5 neutrons, so 4 plus 5, mass number will be 9. Atomic number 4, mass number 9. This much you can do in the book itself. Now coming to question number 4, very important type of question. The atomic number and mass number of sodium are 11 and 23. What are the information conveyed by this statement? So we can solve it here. Sodium is Na, atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. So what are the various information we can get? सबसे पहले information होती है about the number of electron, proton, neutron, then the electronic configuration. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के हिसाब से वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैलेंसी, वेदर इट इज़ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव और इट इज़ मेटल और नॉन मेटल. तो एक एक करके हम निकालेंगे. सबसे पहली इन्फॉर्मेशन है नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स आर 11, एटॉमिक नंबर 11 है. देन नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, वो भी 11 हो गए. नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स दैट इज़ 23 माइनस 11, 12. ओके, अब हम बनाएंगे इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बाय द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर 11, so electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 1. Okay, so it has 1 electron in its valence shell, so it will lose 1 electron, so its valency will be valence